Who let the cats out? Man, Mountain Link. Who let the cats out?
The one, the only, the man, Mountain Link.
If you have sensitive eyes, now's the time to close them. Either that or put on some of those dark glasses that you watch the sun with.
Hello, Jack. I don't have lights on. Oh well. I'm just going to go ahead and pour this. Got a few other things we're working on. Got the tumblers going. We're just busy. I'll be back at you. Okay, we poured our copper pieces yesterday. Just a splatter of copper through the mold, right? Just a little drop at the end when the crucible's about empty. We save them, we tumble them. We trimmed this one, made sure it was all straight so it fits back in the mold. And then we'll melt tin, pour on top of it. Not really all that complicated. Main thing's getting it to bond and doing it so you don't mess up the polish on the copper when you're doing the tin, because they don't polish with the same substances. Well, I don't look half bad. I'm kind of proud of that. Trying not to move so the back will be as smooth as possible. Still gonna have a little dip right there. And a little bit of frosting. That's probably for not having my hot pots clean as possible. I've ordered more, so I'll have one for each melon instead of trying to clean them between pours. Anyway, that was it. Appreciate you watching.
Gentlemen, start your engine!
It's a fine day for chasing, a perfect day for racing me. First across the finish line, doing what it takes to be the fast car champ. For my NASCAR fans, screaming and cheering as I pass by. Feel the G-force 200 round a turn. Hit the pit with 12 seconds, switching tires, let them burn. Now tell me how it feels in my rear view. Haters sit down, let my fans get a clear view. Pumping number 76 on the side of my car, next to the kinfolk sticker with a new mason jar. Might blow your transmission trying to whip it while I'm winning, like I'm running moonshine and prohibition. Yeah, I drive fast, drive fast. I need speed, gotta give it more gas. Drive fast, drive fast. Feel the breeze as I fly right past. Drive fast, drive fast. I need speed, gotta give it more gas. Drive fast, drive fast. Feel the breeze as I fly right past. Motor barking like a big dog, RPMs revving. Backwood country boys fine to my engine. Adjusted my suspension and made it feel perfect. I know you see me climbing up the rank in the circuit. Hell no, we ain't stopping. We make them checker flag us in the winner circle, celebrating with the baddest. Sipping shine out the glass jar. We go far, full service, making all these other teams nervous. Driving with a purpose, determined with a passion. I got enough gas and my tires got enough traction to keep passing and keep pushing. Out front, there's never enough cushion, baby. I drive fast, drive fast. I need speed, gotta give it more gas. Drive fast, drive fast. Feel the breeze as I fly right past. Drive fast, drive fast. I need speed, gotta give it more gas. as I fly right past.